Ka school Phudmuri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School kalapin herno ya kalama jong ke Jingrakhe ya ke Jubilee Rupa ka balapan long na du ki banai balalain lapan kut no ya ke Jingrakhe ha ke jingalang ka ba ipo iping ka balapan long ha ka arpon riu tarik menta ubna ya yong arajar arpawar
ha ke ni ke jingalang penkut no ya ke Jingrakhe dap arpusan snem jong ka Phudmuri Presbyterian School Menteri Rangba kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulalong kongsan rengkat ke jingadan lang UMLA ke maulai ubak proses ti sau kume kumjo UMDC jong ke maulai ubak te bor lang patau I principal jong ne school I kong pila renja bat kiwe dek bela syakot ngobha ha gani kesngi haswa ban sedang ya ke jingalang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapli mau nongrem na ke benta ban sedang saya kekerdan higher secondary ke balamang spoklur tengka bat ini ke pisa Nakaliang kebalang kelesenyang arpusan lak tengka banaka Chief Minister's Development Fund arajar kat kendai arajar arpau lamang san lak tengka badagani ngesngi Menteri Rangba ulapan bena buun samang biang syo sa arpau lak tengka kebanlong san pau lak tengka baro ha kajingalang nalor kajingkren no kongsan bat kiwede lo od ru yukiek jong kajingdap arpusan snem bat kila plat ru ya ke souvenir jong ke school
Vision is for a year and you want to get your results in a year You should nurture flowers because you will get flowers if you grow today, you will get it in 1 year's time. But if your vision is for 10 years and you wish to get the fruits of it in 10 years, then grow fruits, grow a tree because after 10 years you will get the fruits. But if your vision is for eternity and you want to bear and get the fruits forever, then nurture people, grow people. And very simply, that means that we must invest in our children and invest in the youth and invest in society. Nurture people, grow people, plant people, and you will get fruits for eternity. And this is where education comes in. It is in institutes like these and many others where we plant people, where we grow people, so that our society can bear the fruits and get the benefits for eternity.